Motive is just such a quicker install. It's about an hour to an hour 15-minute install compared to 3 hours, so it's over a 50% time savings. My name is John Riddle. I'm a regional safety manager for Dana Transport. We're in the tanking world, so we're set up with smaller terminals compared to some of the dry van companies who use 300 to 400 plate trucks at one terminal. We're spread out to where we might have 10 at one location, 25 at another, and 40 at another. So we have about 1,450 power units, 900 or so owner-operators, the rest being company trucks. It all started when we bought a small company on the south side of Chicago. They had about 50 power units. We purchased them, and we noticed that they had motive, and me and my co-lead's first thought was we need to transition them to our current ELD provider. So we thought this was a golden opportunity with no work on our end to go ahead and observe them and see how good the motive platform was. So what really caught our eye was how forward-thinking that they were as far as the ease of use from the actual customer side. We had 3 other competitors that we were trialing at the same time. Really the advantage that Motive had was the lack of equipment needed to operate the cameras, both the dash cam and the OmniCams that are on the mirrors, the ease of training, and of course the ease of the app. But really the lack of equipment going inside of a driver's truck is key. It keeps the drivers happy, it keeps us happy, makes the install much quicker and cleaner. But then we also got cameras installed from the other competitors, and we saw how much hardware it took, just like our current ELD provider at the time, and we wanted to avoid that if we could. So I go out to the terminals, I do the installs, I train the shops to do the installs, and then I train in the back office and I train drivers. So we've installed 850 units within our company. The install process has been night and day compared to what we're used to. Every shop I go to, they're like amazed on how easy it is. So in the tanking world, we haul everything from hazmat to non-hazmat. Motive has provided us with their side cams, a 170-degree view on the side of our tractor, side of our trailer, to where if there is an accident, we're going to capture it. And I've found in my history that usually about 80% of the accidents that happen on the side of our equipment, we are protected by the Motive cameras. With these OmniCams, we had an instance up in New Jersey to where we got a side swipe, and of course it's their fault. They were on the phone and they just took off. With that, we had a crystal clear view of the license plate, so we was able to track them down and get that resolved. So by us having that OmniCam, it was approximately $4,000 to $5,000 worth of damage, and now it's a he said on who did it. So the potential savings on that, especially with the injuries, could have been tens of thousands of dollars.